As you can see, it's another day. Today I'm going to work on pretty much finishing up the suspension here. I did make some adjustments to the actual settings on the shocks themselves or on the coilovers themselves, but I have not actually rose the back up any, and I need to bring the front up actually a little bit more, but it already is giving me better response. Everything I have looked at so far and everything that has been gone over so far has been wonderful. The brake booster being replaced has totally made it where it needs to be. So today we'll be probably finishing up on the suspension and possibly one other item we may end up doing today. This is going to be an adventure, and you'll learn some more about this this little vehicle here that has kind of taken my heart a little bit. It's been a blast working on it, and I look forward to getting it out there and for you guys to see it in person. It's an amazing car. When I do have it sitting outside, it's funny. I've had people actually stop. Damn! And ask me about the car. It definitely does grab attention the way it is now, and the finished picture that I have in my head should be pretty cool as well. Thanks for sticking around for this video series. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps. Do enjoy making these and the adventures that this has to come, as well as another vehicle that some parts have actually been ordered. I don't want to talk about it too much because it's going to be kind of a surprise that I'm going to bring onto the channel. I think you guys will really enjoy that one as well. We're going to kind of do the same thing to that car as we're doing to this BMW, which is to basically bring it to a point where you can have fun with it on the track and still drive it on the street. So stay tuned. And again, thanks for being here.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I used them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, kind of give you an idea of what I'm working with. In here we have this collar back here that I'm trying to get a little more height out of. That's going to be a fun pain to get rid of, but I was going to try to take this off, but this has not been off in forever, so I think I'm just going to try to finish adjusting the parking brake, and then I'm going to probably put this all back together. But I was trying to get this stuff out of the way to get better access to that back there so I can raise the rear end up a little bit. So that's kind of where I'm at now. It's been an adventure getting to this point, but we are making some progress. I did want to stop and say something because this time lapse went on for a while. Back onto it, at least you know what's going on now. And now I'm going to do the same thing to this side that I just did to the other side. Raise it up.
make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Okay, we've been working and I've gotten to the point where I was fiddling with the brake on the back passenger side. I was trying to tighten it up. I did tighten it up a little bit, and I got the height set finally for the car. I wanted to actually get responsiveness again, which the car has the responsiveness again. It was a little bit too stiff. I really believe that he wanted it originally like really low. I think they took it to some car shows. So, you know, everybody wants a low car. I get it. But this one, I do have some wheel gap. I can put my fingers in between the wheel, which, again, for what I'm going to be doing it for, that's fine because of this right here. Now, the car actually will rebound and stop. Before, you would try to do that and you would get no travel because it was set up as stiff as possible. So I'm trying my hardest to not go out right now and do a donut. But that's one step closer to being ready to be driven on the road. That is suspension all fixed up. So next we're probably going to start working on the lights because we have to have headlights and taillights, so more to come. Thanks for watching.